So, a brief look to the future. So we know that research is ongoing into developing rapid tests to aid in the identification of bacterial infection, with the ideal end goal developing a bedside point of care test to help in identifying those children with bacterial infection. Herberg et al. In the above paper published in JAMA in 2016 used RNA microarrays, which measures changes in 48,000 genes simultaneously using a single drop of blood, and they found 2 genes that were switched on during bacterial infection. When they looked further, they were able to see that these 2 genes predicted bacterial infection with a 95 to 100% accuracy. Further research is ongoing into this, so it will hopefully allow us to better identify those children with bacterial infection, but also reduce the potential over-treatment of those children with viral infection. And of course, this has huge implications for antibiotic resistance and antibiotic stewardship. So a few final thoughts. We know that fever is obviously an important presenting complaint in paediatrics and makes up quite a lot of the workload. We know that fever phobia exists, and this leads to parents and some healthcare professionals being excessively worried about the negative effects of fever. Given that what we now know about fever and its potential effects on the immune system, should we be routinely recommending antibiotic use in mild to moderate fever, or are we blunting that immune response? We all have a role in antibiotic stewardship. As an example, should all less than 3-month-olds be covered for listeria, or should this just be confined to those less than 28 days? We've seen through the NICE guideline for fever in children under 5, it's a complex and lengthy process of good development of clinical guidelines. Good quality evidence may indeed be lacking, and they can use consensus groups to help in those particular areas where there is no evidence. We've also seen that there is future hope for rapid bedside tests for differentiating bacterial versus viral infection, so this is an exciting area and hopefully something to watch out for in the future. Thank you for listening. And here are some references from this talk.